Hi there, welcome to Predictamail. In this video, I'll walk you through the Contacts section, where you can create, manage, organize, and monitor all your email subscribers. Look at the left sidebar navigation menu. Go to the Contacts section and open the drop-down. 3 menus will be shown: Contacts, Lists, and Manage. Go to Contacts. You'll see 3 categories: Active Contacts, Deleted Contacts, and Suppressed Contacts. The Active Contacts page is where you can view, organize, and manage all your subscribers who are currently active in your Predictamail account. This section gives you full control over filtering, editing, exporting, importing. Use the search bar to instantly find active contacts using keywords like name, email, phone number, and tags. Click Filters to open the Advanced Filtering pop-up. Here, you can narrow down your active contacts using multiple conditions. You can filter contacts by name, email, phone, created, and tags. There are operators like equal to, not equal to, contains, starts with, ends with. Adding filters can stack several conditions to refine your search. There are 2 conditions to choose from: and or. And, where all conditions must match, or where any condition can match. Save filter will save your custom filter setup for future use. Duplicate will create a copy of a saved filter. On clicking delete, you will remove a saved filter from your collection. Clear all resets all applied filters and return to the full contact list. Edit columns. Customize which columns you want to display in your active contacts table. You can show or hide these columns like name, email, phone, created, tags, status, and action. Export your active contacts anytime with one click. Your exported list will be generated as a CSV file. Predictamail will email the file to your registered email address. Useful for backup, analysis, or migrating data. By selecting Contacts, Bulk Actions menu will get enabled, and there you can add to list, export, suppress contacts, and delete them. Your active contacts table displays the following columns: customer name, email, phone number, created date. Tags are labels assigned to each contact for segmentation like spring, summer, autumn, winter. Status shows whether the active contact is active and unconfirmed. Every contact has its own action menu with the following options: Edit, update the contact's name, email, tags, or custom fields. Email, send a direct email to the contact. Add a note, attach internal notes to the contact profile for team reference. Add to list, assign the contact to any existing list. Suppress contact, stops all future emails from being sent to this contact. Delete contact, moves the contact to the deleted contact section, recoverable for 30 days. You can import contacts in 2 ways. First is automatic, where the contacts will be added by its own when connected with Shopify. Other options like WordPress and WooCommerce are coming soon. Second one is manual, where you simply upload a CSV file containing contacts and it will be uploaded directly to your Predictamail app. To add a new contact, enter the following fields: first name, last name, organization, title, email address, and phone number. Once all required fields are filled in, save the contact to add it to your list. The Deleted Contacts section shows contacts removed from the active list. Deleted contacts can be restored within 30 days. After that, they are permanently deleted. From Bulk Actions menu, you can restore and export selected contacts. Your Delete Contacts table displays the following columns: name, email, phone number, deleted date, deleted by. The Suppression List page allows you to monitor and manage contacts who can no longer receive emails due to suppression. Excluded for. You can filter the suppression list by specific reasons. Suppressed, manually suppressed by you or your team. Marked as spam, Contact flagged emails as spam. Email bounced. Emails could not be delivered. Invalid email. Email address is invalid or unreachable. User suppressed. User opted out directly. Not available. Reason not specified. Other. Any other suppression reason. All reasons. Show every suppressed contact. In bulk actions, you can unsuppress, delete, and export contacts. Your suppression list table contains the following columns: name, email, reason, explains why the contact is suppressed. This helps identify issues such as spam complaints or bounced emails. Suppressed date, shows exactly when the contact is suppressed, helpful for auditing or tracking recent suppression trends. Each suppressed contact includes two actions. View details, opens a detailed view of the contact showing suppression reason, full contact history, tags, associated lists, additional metadata. Unsuppress contact, restores the contact to an active state. Once unsuppressed, they can receive emails again unless they previously opted out themselves. You can add an email address to the suppression list by giving the email address and a reason. Now, open lists from the drop-down menu to manage, organize, and maintain all your contact lists. In the Bulk Actions menu, you can add or remove tags, duplicate, delete, and export lists. The Lists table displays important information to help you quickly understand and manage each list. Name, tags, contacts, created date, and on every contact list you will have these many action items. Import data. It's basically importing your contacts. Edit list name. Rename the list. List settings. Here you will manage settings related to the lists. Merge lists. Combine this list with another one. View campaigns. See email campaigns sent to this list. View excluded people. Shows contacts excluded from this specific list. View sign-up forms. Displays all sign-up forms linked with this list. Suppress current members. Suppress all contacts inside the list. Unsuppress current members. Remove suppression from list members. Delete list. Permanently remove the list from your account. You can create a new contact list by giving a list name and either selecting the given tags, or can create a new one directly from here by entering a custom tag name. And at last but not the least, open Manage to access. Fields, exports, and contact cleanup. The Fields section allows you to customize the data structure of your contacts. You can create custom fields, organize them into groups, and manage how data is stored and displayed across your account. You can create a new group by just entering the group name. For creating a new field, you need to enter field name, selecting desired group, choose field type, and can add default value, which is optional. You can filter fields by choosing fields like any type, text input, number input, text area, date, date time, drop-down, list box, radio button, checkbox, hidden fields, Boolean. The Fields table lists and organizes all your custom fields. Field name shows the name of the field. Field type displays the data type like text input, number input, and date. Personalization tag, a system-generated tag used inside campaigns, automations, and templates. Action, actions you can perform on each field. Edit fields, modify field name, group, field type, or default value. Move to group, reassign the field to a different group. Delete, permanently remove the field, only if not used in templates or required by the system. Exports. The Exports section helps you manage all exported files generated from your account, such as contact lists, suppressed lists, deleted contacts, and more. You can search, filter, download and track the status of each export. The exports table consists of name of the export, created date, expiry date, contacts count, indicates how many contacts were included in the export. Status shows common statuses include finished when the file is ready to download, failed when export could not be completed, expired when the file is no longer available for download. Actions you can perform on each field. Click to download the exported file immediately. The Contact Cleanup section helps you remove unwanted or irrelevant contacts in bulk. This improves list quality, reduces costs, and keeps your data organized. You can clean up contacts by status, by date, or by uploading a CSV of specific contacts. Remove contacts by status. Use this tool to bulk remove contacts based on their current status. Select single or multiple lists. You can choose the contact status you want to remove. Active. Contacts currently subscribed and receiving emails. Unsubscribed. Contacts who manually opted out. Unconfirmed. Contacts who never confirmed via double opt-in. Bounced. Contacts with hard or repeated soft bounces. Before the date. Remove contacts who match the selected status and were added or last updated before a certain date. Useful for cleaning up old, inactive, or outdated contacts. Remove specific contacts. Bulk removal. Upload a CSV file containing the contacts you want to remove. Typically, the CSV requires only email addresses. After the file is uploaded, click Remove to bulk delete all contacts listed in the CSV. And that's it. Now you must be aware of the whole contact section and ready to use. You can build powerful, organized, and highly targeted email lists right inside Predictamail. If you ever need assistance, the Predictamail support team is always here to help. Thank you for watching, and we hope Predictamail helps you elevate your email marketing.